Hello and welcome to Dad Got This. Today we're going to learn some important things. One of them is what's underneath this cover. The other is how do you tell a grill's in a good mood. It's all fired up. Meet the Denali 605 Pro, a powerful, durable smart grill. This is an updated version of the grill that I've already reviewed on this channel before, the Denali 605. It has quite a few new features and benefits, so it's pretty cool. As you can see, this grill is already assembled. It took me a little bit over an hour to assemble this grill. If you'd like to know a little bit more information about the assembly process and everything, it's pretty much the same as the old one. So I'm gonna put a link down to that other video in the description. You can go check that out later after you finish this video. But now I think it's time to walk through some of the new and unique features of this grill. One of my favorite features on all of the Monument grills is this clear view lid. The fact that I can see my food as I'm grilling it is just amazing. It has made grilling so much more pleasurable and easy that I can just check on things without ruining that temperature that I've built inside a grill if I'm cooking something. It's great.
Underneath that lid, an embossed Monument Grills logo is 640 square inches of porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates that are thicker than the previous models, featuring the all-new Monument Grillware system. They offer a pizza stone, a flat top griddle, and double-sided sear grate that can slot right into where that circular grate was, making this the most versatile grill I have ever seen.
The feature that I'm probably the most excited about on the grill is the two new searing burners. They're ceramic infrared burners and they go up to like 900 degrees.
The first burner is in the searing station on the side, and it's 12,000 BTUs with stainless steel sear grates. The second one is located inside the grill, underneath the cast iron grates.
They've also upgraded the firebox to stainless steel.
The firebox is easy to clean and built to last. Also, just looks cool.
Now they didn't just throw in two searing burners and call it a day. No, they actually upgraded all of the burners that aren't searing burners to infrared burners. These go up to 750 degrees versus 680 degrees on the normal ones. And they even have a stainless steel flame tamer, which adds to convection and cooking. Just gonna make the grill hotter, faster, stronger, better. I think that's a song, right?
To control all those burners, you have the lighted knob system with one cool new trick up its sleeve. Now you get 3 colors: white for off, red for high, and orange for low heat. This way you can easily see what you have the burner set to, especially at night. The lights are controlled by a switch on the side of the grill and powered by an upgraded battery box underneath it, now housing 4D batteries for over 21 hours of standby time. Those batteries also power the temperature display, which you can control via Bluetooth.
One of the things that's always a pain to me is loading a propane tank in a grill, but they made it easy.
Behind the 2 stainless steel doors is the Easy Swap propane tray. All you need to do is flip up the little lock and slide it out. It is so much easier than breaking your back crawling around to load a propane tank in. It's just fantastic.
One of the other nice things they've done with the 605 Pro is they're including a bunch of accessories, including the rotisserie kit. That now comes with the grill included. It's not an optional accessory. The rotisserie kit also has 2 sets of forks instead of 1, which is what came on the old rotisserie kit. So now you can put like 2 chickens or a chicken and a pork roast or a chicken and a roast. You get more stuff on your rotisserie.
Installation of the kit is a breeze. Slide the motor onto the included bracket, slot the rod into the hole of the motor, and rest the other side into the groove. That's it. You can fit a whole lot of food on there. I did a whole pork belly on it once before.
Speaking of accessories that are included, you get that cover, the one that I used in the beginning of the video. This is included with the grill for the same price. And that cool circular plate where we can swap out a pizza stone or a flat top. The circular grate setup is all included. The other accessories are optional, but they give you the grillware system setup included with the grill. This is not additional. This part comes with the grill.
And don't worry, it still has that awesome slide out grease tray, which gives you easy access to the drip pan and everything.
Another little thing that they threw in to make it nice is they give you one of these foil drip pan liners, because in here, you know, you have your basic drip pan, but they give you one of the foil liners, so that way you don't have to clean it as often. It's a lot easier to just clean the drip pan. You can take that inside, or you can buy more of them and they're disposable. At the beginning of the video, I did mention that this is a smart grill. And once you download the Monument Grills app and pair it to the grill, you can do a few things. You can monitor your temperature. You can see what temperature the grill is. You can monitor the probes. You can turn that setting on and off, not turn the grill on and off, just the actual electronics part. You can change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius and monitor everything that's going on. It's a nice feature to be able to keep track of the grill and what's going on straight from your phone. Only thing left to do is to cook on it. I'm gonna set this up for 2-zone cooking. We're gonna use this sear burner inside the grill. We'll set these all to high. We'll do these 3 on high and these 3 on low. That way we've got a hot and a cold zone. I don't know if we're gonna need the 2 zones. We might just get there using the sear burner, but I'd like to have it just in case. To turn it on, just turn your knobs on and push your ignition button. That's gonna light the main burners. Once they're all lit, I'm gonna drop these guys down to low. And this burner has its own igniter. You just push on it. Those are all set. We'll close this off and we'll come back in a few minutes when this is ready at temp.
We're going to do a quick Hawaiian steak marinade. In a bowl, add in some low sodium soy sauce, some garlic cloves, brown sugar, pineapple juice, apple cider vinegar, fresh minced ginger, granulated onion and granulated garlic, and some sesame oil. I'll throw in the exact amounts down in the description below.
And some thick boy steaks. You can use whatever steak you want. I'm using porterhouse / T-bone. I would have liked these to be a little bit thicker, but I had these and these are really nice steaks, so I wanted to use them. Now, you can see this side has a bigger fillet. This is actually a real porterhouse. This side, very little bit over here, that's more of a T-bone. So you can see the difference. That's what you're gonna get the difference when you buy a steak. If you buy a porterhouse, you get a lot more of this fillet than you do on a T-bone. Now, all we need to do, take our gallon freezer bag, get your steaks in there. Be careful if you have bones, you can easily poke through the bag. And then we are gonna try to do this without making a mess. We're just gonna pour all our marinade in here. All right, shake that bad boy up. I like to take it and put it in a bowl because this way, if I did have any pokage and any leakage, the bowl is going to save my refrigerator. Speaking of my refrigerator, this is gonna go in the refrigerator, preferably overnight, but get as long as a marinade as you can. You can go up to 3 days, but be careful going any longer than that because this has pineapple juice in it, and pineapple juice will just eat and break down a steak. I'm gonna go throw this in the fridge. And the grill is already up at around 675 degrees. It's not gonna hit the full temp that it can hit because I don't have all the burners on high, but I think that should be good enough for us to cook a steak. I'm gonna grab my tongs that were hanging on one of the hooks. There are hooks on both sides of this grill, so you can hang anything you need. And that thing is glowing bright orange. That's gotta be hot. We're gonna stick this steak right on there. Let's see what happens. Now you're gonna notice I didn't put the probe in here yet. You don't wanna put a probe in when you're using this high of a heat. So we're gonna cook it, get a nice crust on it, stick the probe in it, see what it says. I'm pretty happy with that crust. I'm gonna move this guy over here for a second, see if we can't probe kind of in there. It says we're at about 115. I'm gonna stick this guy over there. Close this lid down and we'll cook it till it gets to about 125, 128, so we can get that perfect 134 medium rare. And look at that. I can monitor my steak right through the lid. How perfect is that? Oh, we have visitors. Fred and fam. The babies are big now. That didn't take long. It says we are up to like 129. Yeah, I'm gonna take this out, we're gonna let it rest. That is a Hawaiian T-Bone cooked on the Monument Grills 605 Pro. Looks fantastic. I'm quite excited to try this. We'll cut right here. Cut right down the bone area. Now I pulled this a little early. I like my steaks kind of rare. Oh no, that's perfect. That is absolutely perfect. Pink, little gray in the middle, but I'm okay with that. Oh, that section. Let's go ahead and try the very tiny section over here. Delicious. In conclusion, the Denali 605 is a winner in my book. It's got everything you'd want in a grill. They come with the included accessories. The sear burner is amazing. It's well built. It's got that stainless steel firebox, so it's gonna last a long time. It's just a fantastic grill. If you're interested in getting one, I'm gonna throw the information down in the description below. If you want the recipe for this Hawaiian steak, throw that in the description below. I'll throw all kinds of stuff in the description below. Want to know where I got this grill cart? It'll be in the description below. If you would kindly like, subscribe, leave comments, thumbs ups. The comments and the thumbs up are very important. YouTube loves that. That's what helps them know that you are enjoying this content and you want more of it. If you'd like to support this channel even more, think about becoming a member. That's also in the description. And I'm gonna leave you with this very important bit of information. How do you stop bacon from curling on a grill? You take away its tiny brooms. Dad may tell terrible jokes, review fantastic grills, but there is one thing Dad will never do, and that is an outro. So that's it. Bye.
This episode of Dad Got This was brought to you by our producers. Thank you very much.
Looking pretty good.